The Eligible tab displays all products from different lenders that your borrower qualifies for, based on the scenario. The Ineligible tab shows all products your borrower does not qualify for, along with the specific reasons they are not eligible. The Customization tab lets you adjust items like taxes, fees, and service costs and choose a specific lender. We'll go into full detail later in this video. The Compare Products tab is where selected products appear for side-by-side comparison. We'll walk through how, when, and why to use this feature later in the video. The Flyers tab is where your selected products appear to generate flyers. We'll go through this feature in detail later in the video. Let's switch to the Eligible tab so I can walk you through all the features available there. The Eligible tab has a lot to cover, so we'll go through each feature one by one to keep everything clear and easy to follow. Here you'll see the product name, lender initials, and whether your company's relationship is broker or direct. If it shows approved, your company is an approved partner with that lender. The star icon shows lender ratings from other users. If someone has worked with that lender and left a review, it appears here, and you can leave your own review as well. To leave a review, simply click the star next to the lender you want to rate. Here you can see the date and time the last rate sheet was updated. You'll also notice a small Excel icon. Click it to download the latest rate sheet. This column shows the lock period and EPO. By default, the system displays a 30-day lock, and the EPO value is based on whatever the lender has set. This column shows the APR, which is the total annual cost of the loan, including the interest rate and all applicable fees expressed as a percentage. This column displays the total closing costs. Now that you're clear on what each column represents, let's dive in a little deeper. Simply click on any product to expand its details. This is what it looks like once you expand the product. Here you can see the base price, adjusted points, and your compensation. These change with each rate except compensation. Just select a rate. Here we've chosen 7%. Here you can see the 15, 30, and 45-day lock options offered by that lender. If you select 15 days, it will show the 15-day pricing for that specific product. You'll notice some rates marked with green QM and others with red QM. Green QM means your client is likely eligible for that rate, while red QM indicates the rate may be harder for them to qualify for. When you click the QM label, you'll see a pop-up explaining why a rate is marked green or red. Basically, there's a 3% QM rule that checks whether the fees for that rate stay within the allowed limit. If the QM shows red, it means the fees go over that limit, and that's why it's marked red. One more cool feature I want to show you. If you want to see which lender offers the best pricing for a specific rate, first select the rate you're interested in. Then click on the BPS. The system will automatically sort the results and bring the lender with the best pricing to the top. Now, moving forward to another useful detail. In this box, you'll see the origination charges and the estimated monthly payment. If you're unsure about a price, click the price verification button. It sends a request to the pricing team and they'll confirm whether the pricing is accurate. Continue to send the selected rate for a quick pricing review by the pricing team. Acknowledge this message to return to your scenario. Your pricing request has been sent successfully. Click Proposal to generate a detailed pricing breakdown you can share with your customer. Click Continue to move forward after verifying the product details and pricing. Close the document preview to return to your main workflow, or if you prefer, you can share it directly from here by selecting Email or SMS. Click the Rate Sheet button, and the system will generate a detailed PDF rate sheet for the selected product. You can then share it with your client directly from here via email or SMS, or download it if you prefer. If you want to compare 2 or 3 rates from different lenders or programs, simply add them to the Compare tab. Just open the product and select the rate you want to compare. Then click the Add to Comparison button. Click OK to confirm you've added this product to your comparison shortlist. Repeat the same process for any other rates you want to compare, up to a maximum of 3. All selected rates will appear in the Compare Products tab. Once you've added your rates, click Preview Document. All PDFs generated by the system include your company logo and your information, ensuring everything is fully compliant. Click the Add to Flyer button to include the rate details in a flyer. Just open the product and select the rate you want to add in a flyer. Then click the Add to Flyer button. Repeat the same process for any other rates you want to add, up to a maximum of 3. All selected rates will appear in the Flyers tab. To access your flyer, go to the Marketing section and open Market Now. Select the Open House category. Select the flyer labeled Open House Flyer with Rates. That's the one you need to open. From here, you can select your product. Just note that you can only add 1 product per flyer, not all 3 at once. Select the product you want and you'll see the flyer information update instantly. You can download the flyer or send it via SMS or email. You can choose any template you like. Just remember, choose the one which says with rates. Next is Rate Lock. This simply sends an email to your lock desk team so they can lock the rate for you. Just select the rate you want to lock. And click the Rate Lock button. The system will automatically compose the email for you. The second to last option is Submission. This allows you to select the rate and begin submitting your client's application. The last option here is Rate Alert. Rate Alert lets you set a target rate for your client. When rates drop below that number, the system automatically notifies them by email or SMS. You can also edit the Rate Alert message. Just make sure the Alert to Customer checkbox is checked, otherwise the alert won't be sent. There are 2 repeat options. Once, the client will receive the alert only 1 time when rates drop below the threshold. All the alerts you've created will appear in the Alerts section of the PPE. Alerts created by your customers through your e-card will also appear here, and you can edit or delete them anytime. Now let's talk about the Customization tab. From here, you can adjust any of the taxes if you feel the system's auto-calculated amounts are too high, etc. If you want to run borrower-paid comp pricing, simply check this box and click Apply. If you want to run borrower-paid comp pricing, simply check this box and click Apply. If you want to see a specific lender's pricing, simply select the lender and click Apply. Click Apply. Just like this, there are several other customizable options available in the Customization tab. Enter the property tax amount to see its impact on your total monthly payment. Input your hazard insurance figure here for the most accurate loan estimate. Choose your preferred title company to customize escrow and closing service details.